baby, come here. Wash, 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 wash.
What are you doing?
Okay, baby, you haven't failed. Okay, listen.
Oh, I cut my finger. I didn't know. When did I cut my finger?
Show me. Baby, come here. Wash, 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 wash.
I think I cut my finger before I was cutting this. I don't know when did I cut my finger. Do we have Band-Aid? Yes, I don't want.
I have blue tape.
No, I don't want my finger touch the food.
I will make you a Band-Aid. Here, I made a Band-Aid. Stop moving your hand.
Really? This might... What are you doing? Why is it red?
It's a kitty.
It's a Band-Aid. That works. Thank you. That works. I don't like cut onion. My eyes are watering.
That is a lot of sauteed onions, sweetie.
Yes, I think I put too much onion in it.
Is this supposed to be the cream?
No, I haven't put the cream yet.
That's way too many onions, baby.
Too many onions? I didn't know.
What are you trying to make now? Are you trying to make the gravy?
Yes, I failed making the gravy. I already put the broth stuff.
Okay, so you
in
put
it.
that on the onions?
Yes.
Okay, baby, you haven't failed. Okay, listen.
And I made the onion super oil.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, so explain to me what you think you failed at.
I don't have the gravy.
Okay, let's see if I can do this, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken broth in there.
You could put milk?
Yes. Okay, now what is this? This is the stuff you put on the breading, pork chops?
Yes.
What is this right here?
It's flour, just the flour.
Okay, so this is flour. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's put a little flour in here, okay? And let's take a little bit of pepper.
And salt.
And
We need more salt. Here is
salt.
the more salt.
okay, now just watch.
Oh, we need to put some water.
Give me some water. Quick, it's turning into.
Oh, okay. What water.
That's my version of gravy.
You need some onion, and we also need to mix it with cream.
Okay, so you want to mix the cream into it?
Yes, yes. We mix the cream in it.
Looks like gravy to me. Here, you want to taste it?
Yes. It's very creamy. It tastes good. It tastes good. Yes, I like it. How about the onion? What we're going to do with the onion?
You can put the onions on top. We're eating off the same plate.
Yeah, we can. Yes.
Put some of your caramelized onions on top like that.
I think I cooked this for like 1 hour.
Super cooked.
Did I burn it?
They're just very well cooked.
This is for 2 people. The potato tastes super good.
Okay.
Let's say if it should cooked. It is cooked?
Take a look.
It's cooked, yes.
Yep, it looks good. It's kind of white, but I think it's probably cooked just right.
Yes, yes, yes.
I don't think it's overcooked.
It's good, it's good. I'm super hungry. Let's eat. You will eat off the how you want to eat.
Okay, are we gonna sit down at the table, or are we just gonna?
We will sit down on the table and eat. Okay. Okay, we eat off the cutting board.
Okie doke. Try it. Let's see. It's really good.
It's very soft.
Yep.
My eyes. It's not bad for the first time.
What's the green stuff?
I don't know how to pronounce the word.
Collard greens. You need white vinegar to go with the collard greens because collard greens require vinegar. If you're southern, but they're actually really good. They are, you can boil them until they're mushy, but you boiled them just enough to cook them and they're still a little bit crunchy. They're a little bit sour, and that's what collard greens are supposed to taste like.
I think it's my first time eat this vegetable.
How did you season the potatoes?
With salt and pepper. Do you want ketchup?
No.
May I have ketchup?
You're gonna ruin your potatoes with ketchup.
The pork is very soft.
Actually, I think you did a really good job on the pork. I am impressed. There's very few ingredients. It was a big production. You managed to make a big, gigantic mess in the kitchen.
Because I need to film and cook at the same time.
But it actually turned out really good, and it's not ramen.
I like to eat ramen and noodles.
Okay, yep, so this could be considered an American dinner. Pork chops and gravy and collard greens.
So it's my first time making American dinner?
Yes, I think this is actually the first time you've cooked me a full dinner.
For American dinner.
The portion size is pretty good too.
The portion?
Yep.
The pork tastes good.
So what time did you start doing this today?
4.
What time is it right now?
I will check.
6?
Yeah, 6. Ketchup. I like to eat potato with ketchup.
Actually, the pork chop really is soft. And I think it's cooked. I mean, it's bordering on, I mean, it's like it's just right there. It's right at cooked and not quite cooked. I mean, it's like right there.
I feel like this vegetable tastes a bit bitter.
Yes, maybe it is.
I don't like this. It's like bitter vegetable. I like to eat ketchup. This is like fries. Tastes like fries.
They're both made out of potato. Okay, well, thank you very much for my dinner. Here, let me have a kiss. Now I'm gonna go back and try to finish some work.
I feel like it's not enough. I want something else.
Sweetie, it's the right portion size. That portion's about 500 calories. So if you eat 3 meals a day, 5, 5, 5, that's 1,500 calories. That's enough calories for a human.
You can have some snacks.
I'm gonna.
Huh?
I'm gonna.
You're going to get snack?
Chocolate covered pretzel!
I want to eat some sunflower seeds. I'm not full.
Well, sweetie, Okay, I don't think it's intended for our bellies to hurt and for us to get stomach aches from all the food we eat. I think that portion size is just about the right amount.
I feel like I just had a small pork and some vegetables and some potato.
Do we want dessert? I will make us dessert.
What dessert?
Oh, it's very good. Fiber, it's sweet. Seriously, do you want some? Come on.
I want some ice cream.